Today I'm doing a M3GAN makeup, and once I saw this trailer, I knew I should do a look. I thought maybe doing just the doll face would be a little bit boring, so I'm going to do part of it as like her android face because she is a robot. The first thing I'm going to do today is put on the wig because I don't like my hair today. Now I just look like an old school like sad clown for some reason. So we're going to start by doing the wig. I'm going to be doing like a partial cover and a full cover on the side. And to start, I'm going to do my Elmer's glue. I don't need to do like a color correction on this side because there's going to be black around this eye and like copper. I'm just going to powder it to keep the hairs from the makeup from sticking to the hairs. And then I can draw that eyebrow on straighter in a little bit when I do this side of the face. So the next step I'm going to do is block out like where the skin is open and where we're going to see the android. The android's nose is like kind of just like a black hole. So I think that's about where I want it. And then I'm going to kind of block out where the metallic paint is going to go. I will be adding like shadows and highlights to it, which will give it even more of that like kind of like richer color. There are going to be like some wiring like very slightly on the forehead. So I'm going to also add some shading using like a mixture of the black and gold. The eye is bigger than my own by a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and block out that eye shape. And I can always add in the contact last if I think I'm going to do that. I couldn't find any images that really showed the side, so I'm kind of doing like a bit of guessing over here. It's easier to put take a contact out than it is to put it in. So I'm going to go ahead and just see what it looks like with the white contact. It does definitely make my eye look bigger, and that is the goal. So we might be doing this. So I also need to add like a more coppery color because right now it's a little orange. And then I'm going to add like a gold powder over it to really give it that metallic look. It's starting to really come together. All right, so now I think I'm going to work on this side of my face. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and straighten my eyebrow out a bit. She has a really heart-shaped face, so I'm going to add some contour to kind of change the shape of my face. And I can kind of help by also doing some blush in like a heart shape. I think I will be doing the contact on the side, but before I get there, I'm just gonna give myself more of like a bow shape to my lips, like she has. She also has a little bit of pink around her nose, and her nostrils are much more upturned than mine, so I'm also gonna try and reshape my nostrils as well. All right, so the last part of this look is going to be making this side of my eye bigger. Well, I think that's pretty darn good if I do say so myself. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I think it came out really good. I am loving this android part of my face and the details in that. And I also think that this turned out really good. I feel like I really got my features to match as well as I could. And I spent some time yesterday making the costume. So I'd taken like a men's shirt and put on the buttons and made this bow using multiple ribbons. So I really feel like I put a lot of effort into this look, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do you want me to do other spooky looks? Let me know what I should do next. I'll see you next time.